Okay, this one's a bit tricky. I want to point out, if a minus b is greater than 0, that would mean that b minus a is less than 0. So what I want to do is, assumptions are important, but the bottom line is Wells doesn't really spend much time in that. But I can write this as a minus b, and next one I'm going to write down as minus 1 times a minus b. All right? So my assumption is the a minus b is greater than 0 at this point. All right, let me write that down for you then. So what would you get over here? You get the root of a minus b, then you would get I, and then you'd get the root of a minus b. What would this give you? I times a minus b. All right? So that's one answer. Now, let's say I did the flip side of it. Let's say I said b minus a was greater than 0. Well, that would mean a minus b is less than 0. All right? I'm not trying to confuse anyone, but let's put this down then. So what would I get over here? Minus 1, b minus a, that's a positive number, and the other guy's just going to be b minus a. So what do you get over here? I, and then you get, root b minus a times the root b minus a, which would just give you I b minus a. All right? And again, you understand that b minus a is a positive number. All right, so I'm going to say there's two possible answers depending on how you set this up. However, by today's convention, we don't write that down. All right, by today's convention, we don't make assumptions about the numbers. All right, so what we write down is we would not write down two answers like this. We would just simply write down I, absolute value of a minus b, which basically takes both cases into consideration. And that's why I wrote this down over here. All right, now again, these are acceptable answers. All right, both of them are acceptable. Thank you.